I shall now show you one method to take care of used thermocol. In big cities, large volumes of solid waste are generated and municipal authorities are finding it difficult to take care of it. Thermocol is one component in this solid waste. So for this, what I do is to take little quantity of acetone in a wide mouth bottle with a airtight cap. And in this, when I insert thermocol, it just collapses. Thermocol is essentially expanded polystyrene and it contains more than 97 to 98% air trapped in it. So when I put thermocol in acetone, the air escapes and I keep on putting more and more of thermocol till it becomes like a clay. If I take around 100 ml of acetone, more than 12 to 13,000 centimeter cube of thermocol goes in it and finally it becomes like a clay. And to that clay one can give variety of shapes like God Ganesha, Modak or Panda like this, and then we can give different colors and make objects. In this process we can bring down the volume of the waste by more than 98%, and essentially what we get is that polystyrene bag. We'll take the pictures of those two. In that I have displayed different